LinkedIn out of office message. Now, this is only available to people who are paying for LinkedIn Business Premium, Sales Navigator, and Recruiter. So you have to pay for a premium version to get that. Let me show you how you set your out of office on mobile phone and using the LinkedIn app. So I'm going to come out of my profile. I'm going to click on the message icon in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to go to the three dots right there. I'm going to click on those, set away message. Now I can turn it on. I can choose what dates I want to turn on for. So I want to turn on for the 15th, and I want to keep it rolling all the way through December 22nd. And then I can change the date, hit done. Now I can go over here where it says message. I can put whatever messaging I want to put here. Now you may want to put something a little more appropriate in there, but there's my message. I did that, and I can hit done, and then I can hit save. And now anybody who messages me now will get that out of office message. Now, if I want to change it, away message is on. I can go back to update. I can change the words, I can change the dates, or I can turn it off by hitting the little slider and turn it off and hit save. That's how to set your LinkedIn out of office message on messaging from the mobile app.